Whenever I hear people say that those living in the north are the ones enjoying in this economy, I just smile because even in the north, things are still very expensive. You wouldn't believe how much a basket of tomatoes, yam, potatoes are sold here in the north. They are really not as cheap as you think. So here I'll be getting some fresh herbs, ginger, garlic, turmeric, clove, cinnamon stick, and some hibiscus flower for my zobo drink. I'm heading now to the tomato section. This is the secret of buying tomatoes at a very cheap rate. You can decide to buy a whole basket, or you can as well share a basket with other buyers. The people selling here are majorly farmers.
This is how much? This is 20. You don't see that?
20,000 for full basket. 20. This tomato is 20,000.
No one share.
This is how much? 8,000. Now full basket. Raise a man. Enough food now. 8,000 last. 8,000.
No one share.
Who will share this one? Oh yeah, share. This small basket of tomatoes was sold for 20,000 naira. So I had to share with someone because it was way too expensive. There are professionals here in the market that does the sharing. You tip them 500 naira and they will help you with the sharing. So this is how it is being shared. Just share it with one person and we are sharing them into 2 portions. So I got this pepper for 3.5, Abby. 215, Abby. Yeah, agree. So say this one last. 17 last. 9,000 no carry.
How much? 500 no buy.
This yam go full. Again, the smaller tubers of yams, which I got 5 tubers for 7,000 naira, which is still fair. This is Nigeria. The way things are going, every day you wake up in the morning, prices are increasing massively. I got home and this is everything I got. I got those 4 watermelon for 2,000 naira because I will be needing them for my zobo drink. I'll be prepping the tomatoes immediately because it's not something I have to leave for the next day because I got home very late. So I'll be selecting the strong one out and I'll be steaming the others with some ginger, garlic, turmeric, beetroots for extra color. I'll be selecting the strong ones in the fridge, the strong tomatoes, pepper, tatashe. I'll be putting them in the fridge. Then the ones that will not stay for long, I'll be steaming them. When it gets cold, I blend it and then portion them in the freezer. So this is what they look like. I have my ginger, garlic, turmeric, fresh turmeric, onions in it, and I'll be steaming them. Thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel.